Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Chains with another in the series. Well, an unboxing. I just received this, opened the box, and took out all of the styrofoam pellets. So I wanted to do a quick video and document the grand unveiling. So this is a Marx 82. Let me get a razor blade, which is basically the same as a Marx 6000, just a different color. All right, let's see what we have here. All right, there we go. So the Marx 82, like I said, it's basically the same as a 6000. I found this on eBay for $7, and the motor was frozen until just now. It just broke loose. So I'm going to put a few drops of oil on this. Now I have to replace the coupler. The coupler is missing. The twin horns are missing. Other than that, it is complete. Now whether it's going to run or not is a whole different ball game. It's been sitting for quite a while. It's not in terrible condition. The only problem with it, of course, is it's missing the coupler and the horns. Other than that, it is in fairly decent shape, as you can no doubt tell. And it's also missing the plate that holds the headlight. So, but anyway, $7. Couldn't beat the price. Let me get a oil bottle. We're going to put a few quick drops of oil on the bearing for the armature and the output shaft of the motor itself, right on the output gear. Alright, this is going to be interesting. I have no idea if this runs, but for $7 I couldn't pass it up. If nothing else, I can use it for parts. So I'll put it on the third rail. Let's see what happens. Power is on. Leave this razor blade out of the way. All right, power is on. Let's see what happens. Well, it runs forwards. Whoops. And it runs backwards. All right, so going to be interesting to run this. So I've got to pull the motor out. I've got to replace the coupler, clean it up, but already off to a great start. $7, you simply cannot beat that. And the E-unit is working. It's been sitting someplace for a while. So like I said, I'll pull the motor out of it and get it cleaned up. It's already running, so now it's just a matter of getting it running well. And I'll clean up the shell, but it's in remarkably good condition. I have to replace the headlight. I have to replace the coupler, which is easy enough to do. I made the coupler for it last night. A bit of lubing and tuning, and this is going to be a nice addition to the layout. So I'll get that coupler on it and do a video of it running. But so far, so good. Like I said, now it's just a matter of getting it running well. All right. So, this is about 1958, 1956, something like that. I'll have to look it up. But it's in decent shape. Like I said, the motor was frozen, and it just broke loose as soon as I tried to turn it. But it's had almost no runtime, as you can see. It's been stored well. There's no appreciable amount of rust on it anywhere. How the coupler was broken off, I have no idea. but it definitely is missing. Like I said, I made a coupler for it last night, so no big deal. I'll just drill out that rivet, put a new coupler on it, and this will be up and running. So I just want to do a quick video of the grand unveiling, of the unboxing. $7 on eBay. Like I said, the only thing that's missing is the holder for the headlight, which is fairly easy to replace, the 2 horns, and the coupler. Even so, $7, I couldn't pass it up. So I just want to do a quick video. I'll get this up and running, get that coupler replaced, and I'll do a follow-up video of actually running this. So I just want to do a video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. benstrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.